Hi. Hi everyone, I'm Chandana from Genesis. I'm an aptitude and a soft skill trainer. This is TCS NQT Open Batch Online Training. I hope you guys have taken the quiz which was given in the morning. I hope you have scored well. If you have any doubt, I'm here to solve the problem. Okay, so now before getting into it, who are there in the live session? Can I know about you? Like, your name, where are you from, which college? So anyone can just drop a text in a comment section and we can talk about. Okay, so if you have any doubt in the if you cannot understand any problem, please do comment in a comment section. Okay, so that I can get to know that who has a who has a doubt or anything. Okay, so let it make interactive and let's start. It's already 5, so please, if you have any doubt, comment section is there. I'll be looking at a comment and I can, if any problem, if you cannot understand means, I can go through it again, I can re-explain it. Okay, so let's go to the first problem. First problem is from the topic called word pattern. Okay, this kind of question is basically it's a reasoning topic. It's a very easy. Okay, so you have to arrange them in a meaningful sequence. Now what they have given, the arrange the following in a meaningful sequence: consultation, illness, doctor, treatment, and recovery. So by looking at the word itself, you can see that it's a person going through a sickness. What are the treatment he or she is gonna take? So first, what we are gonna feel sick, right? That is illness. So it will be ill. So I can easily eliminate third and fourth option. So I'm left out with two options. Now after, when we fall sick, what will happen? We'll go to doctor. In both the option we have 3 and 3. Okay, next, after we go to doctor, we consult a doctor. So it is consultation. So option A is the right answer. So if you want to recheck it, after we consult a doctor, we are gonna get a treatment, then it will be of recovery. So option A is the right answer. Don't look into, sometimes you can use your option to find an answer. So my suggestion is that please do use your option and then solve the problem. Okay, the next problem the next problem is also based on word pattern. Here they have given that choose the answer option that arranges the given set of words in the most meaningful order. So we need to arrange them in the most meaningful order. The words when put in order should be logically sensed according to the size, quality, the occurrence of event, values, appearance, nature, process, etc. So it can be based on size or quality or occurrence, we need to see. So here what are the words given? Tiger, cat, squirrel, and an elephant. So there are five animals are given. So basically we by looking at the word itself, we can get to know that it is based on their size. Now the doubt is that whether should I start from a bigger or a smaller. Now look into the option. Is I know that elephant is the larger animal and ant is the smallest one. So if I look into the option, there is no option that starts with 5. So it's a basic understanding that I need to start from a smaller. So smaller one is ant. So I'm going to start with 4. So option B and C are easily ruled out. So now tiger, cat, squirrel and elephant. Which is the largest one? Largest one is an elephant. So I can easily eliminate the option A also. So option D is the right answer. So recheck it. Okay. After ant, it will be squirrel and it will be a cat and it will be tiger. So option B is the D is the right answer. So look into the option and get it. Okay. Now is there any? Okay, I have seen the comment section that is Shashank. Hi, Shashank, and he is from Oxford College. Okay, I hope your day went well, Shashank, and I hope you have taken your online test today. Now, let's go to the next problem. Next problem is from number series. In number series, what you have to do is that find what is next number. So here the numbers are given are 9, 18, 11, 16, 14, 13, 18, 9, 23. We need to find out what is the next number. So here in number series, there can be pattern can be addition. You need to find out what is the pattern running between the numbers, and you need to find the next number. It can be sometimes addition, it can be multiplication, it can be subtraction, it can be division. Sometimes two series also might be going on. In this question, there is two series running. Okay, that is from 9 to 11 and 18 to 16. Okay, from 9 to 11, what is the difference? It is plus 3. From 18 to 16, it is minus 2. Okay, what number do I need? I need this number. So I only concentrate on these things. Okay, I don't want these numbers. Why? Because they are not asking two numbers. They are only asking the what is the number next to 23. So I'll only concentrate on this. Now it is minus 2, and 16 to 13 it is minus 3. 13 to 9 it is minus 4, and next number 9 to next it should be minus 5, right? Because it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So next number it will be 4. So option B is the right answer. If they ask you to find out the next number also, then you need to check this pattern. Now it is how much? Here it was plus, sorry, it is plus 2. Here it is plus 3. Then it is plus 4. And here it is plus 5. So after plus 5, obviously it will be plus 6. So the next number here it will be 29. If they ask two numbers, you need to check for the other pattern also. If in this question they are not asked, so no need for this. So here it is two patterns are going on. So this is two series are running here. So I hope I'm clear. uh, Next question. Okay, next question is also from number series. Now again we have to find out what is the next number. One tip is that when the numbers are nearby, mostly it won't be multiplication, it will be addition or subtraction. Now all the numbers are in a decreasing order, it is a descending order from greater to lower. Now let's check what is the difference between 544 and 509. Okay, now from 544 to 509, that is 14 minus 9, it will be 5, and 3 it will, so 3 minus 0 it will be 35. So now the difference between 544 and 509 is 35. Now let's go to the next number, 509 and 475. Okay, so 475 means this, if I make 9 minus 4 it will be 5, and if I carry 1 it will be 3 or 10, so it will be 35. Now no need to check for the other one, because when the pattern is 35 and 35, the next will all obviously be 35. So once you get one pattern, there is no need to recheck it and verify it for all the numbers. Okay, it is pretty easy, this problem. That is only one pattern is going on, there is no minus and plus over here. All the difference is 35. Okay, so the next difference also it will be minus 35. So 439 minus 35 it will be 4. Okay, 0 4. So 404, option D is the right answer. Okay, next problem. Next problem is from letter series. Okay, letter series, it is similar to your number series. Okay, here also you need to find out what is the next letters. Okay, it can, again here it can be a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you need to find out. But for one tip is that here you need to know that which letter corresponds to which number. So please learn this for a tip easier to remember. We all can remember from A to D it is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so evening starts at 5, I can remember it like that. And F is 6. Fix and 6. Fix 6. It is rhyming. Okay. G, if I write letter like this, in the letter itself, I have 7. Okay. H. H in a digital clock, it looks like 8. Okay. I'm a Friends fan. Okay. So Monica Geller is there, and her famous dialogue is I know, I know. Okay. I know means no means it is 9. Okay. So J looks like a hockey stick with a 0, it is 10. Okay. And anyone watches IPL over here? IPL, Kings 11 Punjab. Okay. That is how I remember. And L is 12. L is 12, I just remember it like that. And M is 13. Have you heard a song called Me Thera? Okay, Thera means 13, so Me Thera, Thera, like that it will come. Okay, N is November 14th, it is Children's Day, and O is 15th, that is October 15th, Abdul Kalam's birthday. Okay, P and Q I just remembered like that, it is 16 and 17. R is right to vote at the age of 18. Okay, we all started at vote at age of 18. Okay, so S is 19, our students stressful life started at 19. Okay, and T20. Okay, I'm a cricket fan, so it is T20. U is under 21 is not allowed, don't ask me for why, what. And V is victory, that is 22. Okay, victory symbol, it is 23, 22. And W, X, Y, and Z, I remembered it like that itself. Okay, now using this number, okay, using this number, how can I solve? First, you need to find out whether the pattern is running from T to W or T to O. Okay, first let's see. T means it is T20. Okay, O means it is October 15th, that is Abdul Kalam's birthday. I'm gonna write that is 5 difference. Okay, we might get a pattern. N is November 14th. Here it is one different, and Y is 25. Again, the difference, I'm not getting a pattern over here. So I need no need to check between the alphabets. Now what I'll do is that I'll compare the first letters of each word. Okay. Now T is 20, W is 23, Z is 26. So what I'm observing over here is that it is plus 3 and here it is plus 3. So next also it should be plus 3. So Z is 26. 26 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So it will be C. In the all the option I have 20, it starts from C. So I need to check the other things. Okay. So O is 15, T is 20, Y is 25. So again it is plus 5 and plus 5. So next after Y, I need to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting D. So I can easily eliminate the first and the last option. Okay. Now option B and option C as three letters same, that is C, D, S. I only need to cross verify with the last letter. So what I'll do is that I'll only concentrate on last letter, that is Y is 25, P is how much, 16, G is 7. Now 25 and 9, what is the difference? It is 9. Again here also it is difference is 9. So now from 7G, if I go ulta, that is minus, I need to do. So minus 9, how it will be? 3, 3, and 3 means it is coming to X. So X, where do I have? It is in option B. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So C, D, X, S, X will be my next term. Okay. Clear. Now, this question is also from letter series. Now I give time for you guys. So try to solve this one question. I'll explain it to you. So I'll give you 1 minute. Please do try this problem on your own. And in the comment section, please, once you get an answer, please give mention the answer. Is it option A, B, C, or D? Okay, try to solve it on your own. Anyone? Anyone knows the answer for this question? Okay, let's see what is the answer for this solution. So how many letters are there? First, let's see. Okay, they are given dash AA dash BA dash BB dash AB dash AAB. Okay, now let's see how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 letters are there. When 16 letters are there means I can divide it by 4. So into 4 groups I can categorize it. So it will be one group, second group, third group, and this is the fourth group. Okay. So all you have to do is that first check how many letters are there. If it is 15, then make it divided by 3 and make it 5 groups. Okay, it is 16, then divided by 4 and make it 4 group. Okay, it will be usually of 3 groups or a 4 group. Okay, depending on how many letters are there, you need to categorize them. Now if you observe carefully, they have given that a option as AABB and BBBAA. So I don't know what to fill it up over here. So what look, observe carefully. Here I have AA. Here also I have A, and here also I have A. So here also I should have A, right? So it is A and A. So here also it will be A. Here A. Okay. Now here it is BB, and here also it is BB, means here also it should be B, and here also it should be B. So the pattern here is going like BAAB, BAAB, BAAB. So now BBA. So BBA is only in this option. So option C is the right answer. First, all you have to do is that how many letters are there? Please do count it. After counting it, if it's even 16 like that, usually it will be of 16 or 15. So if it's 16, divide into 4 letters, or if it is 15, divide into 3 letters. Okay, after that, look in the here itself, what is the pattern you can usually find out. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Next question is from the topic called symbol and notation. Okay, symbol and notation, here they are given that 24n 16a is equal to 12, and the other one given as 14a 18n 12 equals 20. Okay, now what we have to find out is what is 28n 16 16a 15 is. Okay, we need to find out. Now if I do something over here, some calculation over here, I'm gonna get sum of 12. Okay, now if I give n as into, okay, that is 24 into 16, I'll get a huge number. So nowhere near to 12 I'm not gonna get it. So it's a simple logical thinking, I cannot give into over here. The next one is that if I give divide, okay, 24 divided by 16, I'm gonna get decimal. Okay, not the whole number. So division also I'm not gonna count it. Now if I give plus as a symbol, 24 plus 16, it will be 40. Okay, 40 minus 4 or plus or into, if I do also, I cannot get a number 12. So what I'll do is that I'll give n as minus. Okay, so it is 24 minus 16. 24 minus 16, it will be how much? 8. Now I have 8a4 equals 12. Okay, 8a4 equals 12. Now what should be the a sign? It's a simple thing. If I put plus over here, 8 plus 4 equals 12, that will be 12. So from this example, I got to know that n is minus and a is plus. Okay, now let's verify with this one. Okay, 14 plus 18 minus 12. Okay, 18 minus 12, it will be 6 plus 14 equals 20. Okay, so I'm getting RHS equals LSS. So a is minus and n is, sorry, a is plus and n is minus. From this question I got to know that. Now let's apply it over here. 48 minus 16 plus 15 equals what? Okay, now minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1, so 48, that will be 47. So option A is the right answer. So all you have to do is assign some sign to it and find the sum. Okay, so there are two examples. Based on using what is the pattern running between these two examples, you need to find out the next one. Okay, clear? Now The next question is from blood relationship. In blood relationship, there are three types. Okay, one is single blood, mixed, and coded. This question is from coded blood relationship. Coded blood relationship means they will give codes like this, that is equals, star, question mark, dollar, at, into. Okay, these code represent some meaning to it. Here A equals B means B is father of A. Star means A is sister of B. Okay, so this code will be given and you need to decode them. Options will be given, sometimes one equation will be given, you need to decode them and get an answer. Before solving the problem, we need to learn certain basic things. What are those basic things? One is that if I want to represent male, I'm going to use plus. Okay, for my convenience, I'm going to use plus. Minus is female. Okay, so if you want to represent female as plus and male as minus, go ahead, mention it. But you need to remember what you have mentioned. Okay, so if I want to represent next generation, I'm going to use vertical arrow. That is next generation. If I want to represent, you know, siblings, I'm going to use horizontal arrow. Okay, if I want to represent husband and wife, that is spouses, it will be equals. Okay, so these are the basic, representation in blood relationship. Now what they're asking is that A equals B means B is the father of A star B means A is sister of B. Okay, and A question mark B means B is the mother of A dollar B means A is the brother of B. A at B means B is the son of A, and A into B means A is the daughter of B. Then which of the following is not correct? They're asking. Okay, so we need to verify all the four options to see that which of the following is not correct. So first option says that E dollar F star G. Okay, now let's decode this. Dollar symbol means what? A is a brother of B. Okay, but instead of A and B, we have E and F. So it will be E is brother of F, right? E is brother of F. Now let's do A star G. Okay, A star G means star represents what? A is the sister of B. Here instead of A and B, we have F and G. So F is sister of G. F is sister of G. Now what in the statement they have given? E dollar F star G means G is the sister of E. That means G is the sister of E they have given. But this statement in G, they have not mentioned that whether G is male or female, right? It can be male or it can be female. Okay, it can be G can be brother of E or it can be sister of E. If in the question it was like F is the sister of E, then it would have been correct. Or E is the brother of G, then it would have been correct. But option A is the wrong because we don't know the gender of G. Okay, in blood relationship, please never assume the gender. Okay, based on name also you can never assume the gender. Okay, so option A is the right answer, so no need to check for the other options. Okay, if you want to check, we can do that. P into R. Okay, P into R means P is the daughter of R. They have given, okay, I'll write it here. P into R. P is the daughter of R. Okay, question mark means what? R is the mother of A. R is the mother of A. That means uh, yeah, R is the, no, once again, P into Q. Yeah, P is the, where did I, once again, yeah, P is the daughter of R. Okay, we don't need the gender of R. Now, R question mark Q. Okay, R question mark Q means Q is the mother of R. Q is the mother of R. Here, this B is the mother of R. So here, instead represents Q and R represents A. So they are telling that T is the granddaughter of Q. So even this is right. So they're asking which of the following is not correct. So option A is not correct. Again, if you see for C and D also, it will be correct. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is also from single blood relationship. This question is from single blood relationship. Single blood relationship means what is this? one person relation with the other. Okay, what is the one person relation with other? Now let's see. A man communicated the story to the stranger and told him that this girl is wife of the grandson of my mother. How is man related to the girl? So man is communicating. Okay, that man is saying something, and what he is saying, that is pointing at one girl. Okay, girl is pointing at and is saying that this girl is wife of. Okay, so this girl is wife of grandson of my mother. Of my mother. Who's talking over here? Man is talking. Okay, and man has a mother. My mother means here man has a mother. Now what they are telling is the how is man related to girl, they are telling. So man will be what? Girl's husband. Father means it will be father-in-law. Okay, if the question was how is girl related to man, how is girl related to man, then it will be daughter-in-law. Okay, most of the people do mistake over here, that is whether it is from father-in-law to father-in-law or daughter-in-law. Look, they're asking how is man related to girl, not how girl is related to man. Okay, so man is the male over here, so he will be father-in-law to girl. Okay, if you write daughter-in-law, you are changing the gender of the man. Okay, so be very careful what they're asking, whether who is related to whom. Okay, next question. Next question is from data sufficiency. All you have to do here, you no need pen and paper. Okay, all you have to tell is that two statements will be given, whether this statement is sufficient for me to get an answer or not. That's all. Okay. Now what they are telling, how many rupees? How many rupees would Shalini need to spend to buy 11 pencil and 14 pens? Okay, there is one girl called Shalini. She need to buy 11 pencil and 14 pen. Okay, she need to buy it. First statement what they are telling is that Shalini spent an amount of rupees 2001, rupees 201 to buy 15 pencil, 15 pencil and 12 pen. 15 pencil and 12 pen. Okay. The next statement says that Shalini spent an amount of 121 to buy 7 pencil and 9 pen. Okay, 9 pen. Okay, now let's look into the option. If the question can be answered by using only using one of the statements. Okay, if the question can be answered using either statement alone, if the question can be answered by using both the statements together. Option D, if the questions cannot be answered even by using the statements together. Now, by using both the statement, if I solve, can I get what is the price of one pencil and what is the price of one pen? It's a linear equation. If we solve two linear equation, we will get the answer. Okay, I don't want how much she paid, but what I want is that whether I can solve or not. Okay, so using both the statement I can solve. Using statement alone one I cannot start get spend find an answer, or using statement 2 also I cannot find an answer. So together I can find an answer. So if the question can be answered by using both the statement together is the right answer. So option C is the right answer. So here in data sufficiency, no need to no need to solve the problem. All you have to do is that if I can solve using this statement or not, that should be the answer. Okay, so by using these two statement I can find an answer. That's all. Okay, now the next question is also based on data sufficiency. Now you gave me the answer, which is the option. Okay, Rajdhani Express leaves Howrah at 8 p.m. from Agra. At what time it will reach Agra? They're asking. Statement 1, it travels at a speed of 250 km per hour for the first 100 kilometers and maintain the speed during the entire journey. Statement 2, it stops 5 times between Agra and Howrah. Okay. Statement 3, it covers a distance of 240 km before every stop. So these are the statements are given. Using the any of this statement, can I find out at what time will I reach Agra? Okay. So option A says that either statement 3 alone or statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient. Option B says that only 3 is sufficient. Option C states that only statement 1 or 2 together are sufficient. And option D says that none of this. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute of time. Try to solve it. Okay. Um, no one gave me the answer. I hope you guys have taken the morning assessment, right? It's not a difficult question. Okay. Let's solve. Okay. Let's solve. Rajdhani Express is there and it is leaving Howrah at 8 p.m. to Agra. Okay. At what time it will reach Agra is the question. Now, it travels at a speed of 250 kilometer for the first 100 kilometers and maintain the speed during the entire journey. That are they. Okay. So this first 100 kilometer is unnecessary data. Okay. So from first statement, I got to know that what is the speed of the train, and they are telling that it maintains the speed during the entire journey. Okay, throughout the journey the speed of the train is 250 kilometer. Now they are in the next statement they are telling that it stops 5 times between Agra to Howrah. Okay, so how many stops are there between Agra to Howrah? There are 5 stops. Okay, between they are telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, between means it is in between them. Okay, 5 stops are there. Now in the last statement it says that it covers a distance of 240 kilometer before every stop. That means before every stop it is covering 240 kilometer. That means from this statement, from these two statement, can I find a distance? Yes, I can find a distance from these two statement. Okay, so we know that speed is equal to distance by time, right? So I need what is the time. So distance by speed is the formula. So by using these three statements, I can find an answer. But in the statement, what they are telling, either statement 3 alone or statement 1 and together are sufficient. They are telling. From 1 and 2, I only got to know that how many stops are there and what is the speed. From statement 3, I got to know that what is the distance between two stops. Okay, by using this, I cannot find an answer. So this is the wrong answer. Only 3 is sufficient. Again, the 3 is only giving me what is the distance between the stops. Okay, so it is not giving me the time. Okay, now um, next what they are telling is that only statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient. Again, 1 and 2 can only get me time and number of stops. Okay, so option D is the right answer. None of this can give me the right answer. What is the time? Okay, now let's go to the next question. Next question is also from data sufficiency. Five friends A, B, C, D, and E are sitting in a line facing north. Who is sitting exactly in the middle? They're asking. So there are five friends and all of them are facing north. Okay. All of them are facing north means this will be right and this will be left. Okay. Who is sitting exactly in the middle? They're asking. C is sitting between A and B. Okay. C is sitting between A and B means it can be like this. Okay, A can be this side or this side. Okay, E is fourth place to the left of B. Okay, E should be fourth place to the left of B means if I get left here, E means there are only five people. Okay, there are only five people. According to this statement, it will be more than that, so this cannot be the answer. So here if I write um, A, C, B, E should be fourth left, right? Fourth left. One, two, three, and E will be here. E will be here. And now what they are telling is that remaining one is what? D. Remaining one is D. So from this statement, I got to know that C is the middle one. C is the middle one. So statement one is alone sufficient for me to find an answer. But you need to check for the statement two also. What if using the statement two also I can get an answer? Okay. So what I'll do is that I'll check the second one. E is sitting immediate left of D. E is sitting immediate left of D, they are telling. Okay. C is immediate left of B. C is immediate left of B. Okay. Now, what will people think that, okay, middle one, I can get it. No. Okay. I don't know whether it can be like this also. Here it can be. Okay. I cannot get exactly who is sitting in the middle. Okay. So B is not sufficient for me to get an answer. So in the option what they have given, if the question can be answered by using the first statement alone, yes, I can get an answer using first statement alone. Okay, not using the second statement or not using the both the statement. Okay, they are telling not it cannot be answered by using the both the statement, but I can answer the statement question by using the first statement alone. So first statement is the right answer. Okay, now this question is from seating arrangement. Seating arrangement can be sometimes circular, that is bounded. Okay, bounded can be like circle, square, triangle. Okay, can be linear. In linear, it can be a straight line or a parallel line. Now, in this question, okay, first, what are the basic things you have to know in seating arrangement is that the term when, who, whom, and whose. Okay, these are the term comes how to solve a problem. Okay, A is second left of B, who is left of C. Okay, who is left of C? That means if I take A is second left of B, that means B second left, A will be, and who is left of C means C left will be B. This who represents B over here. Okay, but if I change the question like A is second left of B and or but. Okay, if I use and or but is and B is left of C. Okay, how it will change? Okay, A is again second left of B and left of C, and left of C means this and or but will represent A. Okay, so this is the second person and first person. Okay, you need to be very careful when the word comes whom, whose, and who, that will represents the letter next to it, and but will represents the first person which you are talking. Okay, now let's solve this question. One second. Okay. Now, eight girls F, G, H, J, K, and L are sitting in a row facing north. Okay, facing north means this side will be right and this side will be left. And they are telling not necessarily in same order. L and K are sitting at extreme end. Okay, L and K are sitting at extreme end. There can be two cases. This is case 1 and this is case 2. Okay, K can be this side also and L can be this side also. Let's take the case, only one case will be correct. We need to find out which one it is. Okay. Only G is between F and K. Okay. G is between F and K. Here also G is between F and K. Okay. J is to the immediate left of H. Okay. I'll write down here J is to the immediate left of H. Okay. G is immediate right of F they have given. Okay. G is immediate right of F. It should be, but here it is immediate left, so this case is wrong. Okay, so I need to fill these two gaps which will come over here, that is, so the arrangement is like this. Okay, now what they are telling is that what is the position of F from the left end, from the left end. Okay, this will be left and this will be right. What is the position of F? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so fourth position is the place of F. Okay, so whenever they have given, okay, extreme ends, you need to consider two cases, because I don't know whether L will come this side or this side. Please don't try to assume it. Okay, you need to take the cases. One case will be definitely wrong and you will get the right one. Okay, now let's go to the next question. This question is also from seating arrangement. In a class, there are five students, that is A, B, C, D, E, who is sitting on a bench. Okay, B and D are close friends. They always sit together, but not at the end sides of the bench. Okay, one bench is there, means B and D are always close together, so they always sit, but not at the corners. Okay, how many people are there? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, when the direction is not given, which face they are facing, always assume that they are facing north. Okay, now so D and B cannot be at these corners, so D can be here or here. Okay, they can be sitting like this or like this. Okay, now what they are telling, E and C sit as far as possible. Maybe E and C are enemies, so they are sitting as far as possible. Okay, A is friend of C. Okay, and sit immediate right of C. Okay, and also immediate left of B. That means A is friend of C and sit immediately, and is sit immediately right of B and left of B. Okay, and B and D are friends, means it will come here, C will be here, A will be here, um sorry, C will be here, A will be here, B will be here, and D will be here. Why? Because D cannot go to the corner. They have mentioned here. They won't sit at the end side of the bench. Remaining one is E. Okay. So E and C are far, and they are telling that C immediate is A and B immediate left is A and the. Now what is the question they have given? The two end side of the benches are occupied by who? It is occupied by C and E. It is occupied by C and B. So answer is A. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Now, next question. Next question is from the topic called direction. Okay. In direction, all you have to remember is that which is north, which is south, and which is east, and which is west. Okay. So you need to know that which is the side. Okay. So this side will be northeast. This side will be southeast. This side will be southwest, north, west. Okay, now if you know the basic concept, you can solve it. Okay, now what they are telling is that if, sorry, okay, if northeast becomes north, okay, that means this, sorry, if southeast becomes north and northwest, northeast becomes west, and so on. Okay, so if north is there, means south, west here means obviously this will be south. Okay, north and south are opposite poles, it should be opposite. West and east will be here, so this will be southwest, here it will be northwest, here it is northeast, here it is southeast. So what will west become? Here I have west, and corresponding here west will become southeast. So southeast is the answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is from the topic called syllogisms. Okay. Now statement will be given and the next conclusions will be given. You need to say that which conclusion will follow the statement. Okay. Now for this you can use your, you can answer it directly, or you can use the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram, if you cannot answer it directly, you can use this Venn diagram. Now using Venn diagram, how can I solve it? Okay, now what they are telling is that some insect, okay, this is one group of insects, okay, and this in some insects are animals. Okay, some insects are animals, that means this is entire animal, this is entire insects. Okay, in between this Venn diagram, there are some insect which are animals also, and some animals which are insect also. Some animals are frogs, they are telling some animals are frogs. Okay, and all the frogs, okay, this entire frogs are what, this entire frogs are cats, they are telling. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram, this is the statement I've concluded using the Venn diagram. Now, my first conclusion says what? Some cats are frogs. Okay, some cats are frogs, they are telling. All the frogs are cats means some cats will be, of course, it will be frogs, right? So, my first conclusion is right. Now, let's check for the second conclusion. Some frogs are animals. Okay, in the statement itself, they have given that some animals are frogs means some frogs also will be animals, right? So, conclusion 2 also follows. All frogs are, sorry, next is next conclusion says that some animals are insect, some animals are insect, they are telling. In the statement itself it's saying that some insects are animals means ulta also can happen, that is some animals are insect. So both the three statement are following, so all conclusion follow is my answer. Okay, only 1 3 follows no, all the option follows. 2 and 3 no, 1 and 2 no, so all the conclusion follows. So option D is the right answer. Now, this question is from coding and decoding. Okay, you need to find what is the pattern running between 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals 15. Again, here 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals 40. Okay, and then you need to find out what is 2 plus 7 plus 6 equals question mark. If you add 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, 8 and 15, okay, relationship, maybe if I think like a 15 minus 8, it will be like, um, how much, 15 minus 8, it will be 7. Okay, so 7, again if I add over 4 plus 4 8 9, it will be 9 11. Here the difference is coming 11, so there is no pattern going on. Okay, now what I'll do is that if I add 1 plus 2, that will be 3, plus 5 is there. If I do into, if I do into, will I get 15? Yes, I'll get 15. So if I do 1 plus 2, 3 into 5, I'm getting 15. Similarly, let's apply the same logic over here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 4, it is 20. So it is apply. I'm getting, if I use this logic, I'm getting answer for both the questions. So I'll apply it for the last one also. 7 plus 2, it is 9. 9 into 6, it is 54. So option D is the right answer. So option D is the answer. Now, let's go to the next question. Candidate for interviews for entry level job in a bank. Okay, so one candidate is applying for a entry level job in a bank. Okay, now what they are telling is that the candidate should have passed SSC with 80% marks. Okay, when the questions are very huge, there will be key point, only you need to focus on that. Now in here, a candidate should have passed, candidate should have passed, everywhere that is that, so no need to read that again and again. Let's go to the next one, that is HSC, at least 75% you need to have. Then art, science, commerce graduate with at least 60%. And engineering means at least 5%. Postgraduate means at least 50% you need to pass. Any candidate can be eligible under one or more above criteria. So for the candidate to be eligible, you need to be eligible in one or two criteria. You need to have this, at least you need to at least pass in SSC exam or arts or engineering. One or two they are telling. Okay. In each of the following questions, details of one candidate are given. Okay. Okay. So here the candidate detail is given. Okay. You have to find out under which above the category, above condition, the candidate is eligible. Okay. You have to find out from above this 5 points. Okay, Using this, which using this file statement, under this file statement, which are the statements he is eligible? They're asking. He is presently pursuing his second post graduation degree. Have they mentioned anything about second post graduation? No. So this data is again unnecessary for me. Okay. Now, what is they are telling? Satish Menon. Okay. Satish Menon is a guy has secured 85% marks in graduation in science. Okay. So here science graduate 60%. He has scored 85. So in this statement, is he eligible? Yes. So from third statement, he is eligible. Okay. Now read the next line. He has also secured 65 and 75 in HSC and post graduation. In HSC, he has scored how much? 65, but it should be 75. So my second statement is not eligible. 75% in postgraduate. Postgraduate means how much? 50%. But he has scored 75. So from fifth one he is eligible. From fifth statement and third statement he is eligible, and he is presently pursuing his second post graduation degree. They are not talking about anything over here about second post graduation, so this data is unnecessary. Now look into the option eligible under 2, 4, 5 only. They're asking eligible under 3 and 5. Okay, so this guy will be eligible under 3 and 5. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Now, let's go to the next question. In a psychology test of 6 students, P, Q, R, A, B, and C, the teacher found following information regarding the intelligence level of students. Okay. So there is a psychology test and there are 6 students. Those are P, Q, R, A, B, and C. Okay. So by using that psychology test, student found out that what is the intelligence level of the student. Okay. Who's the most intelligent and who is not that intelligent. Okay, teacher has found out and she or he is giving us a hint. What is that? P is p is more intelligent than A, and R is less intelligent than C. Okay, that means C is more intelligent than R, right? So C is more intelligent than R, and P is more intelligent than R. Okay, P is more intelligent than R, and Q is as much as intelligent as B. That telling. So Q and B are similar. And if B and C are not the most intelligent, okay, B and C are not that intelligent, then who will be the most intelligent student? Okay, who will be the most intelligent student? They are asking. Now, P is greater than A, we got it. And of course, P is again greater than R. I don't know whether A or R. Okay, who will come first? Okay, but between that C will come because C is more intelligent than R in the statement. I don't know whether A will come here or here. Okay, but I'm assuming that it will be here. Okay, now and Q and B. Okay, Q and B are equal, and B and C are not that intelligent, means B also somewhere will be here and Q also will be somewhere here. Okay, so no one is as much as intelligent as T. So who is the most intelligent student? T will be the most intelligent student. Okay, so in they have given P is more intelligent than A and C is more intelligent than R, and Q and B are equally intelligent. P and R are, P is more intelligent than R, and B and C are not that intelligent. Okay, using this data we found out who is more intelligent, that is P. Okay, now let's go to the advanced reasoning ability. Now whatever we solve now is based on reasoning ability. That's your first part. Okay, now next comes the second part, that is reasoning ability. It will be a bit tougher than your reasoning ability, and under this there will be your 15 question. Okay, now whatever we solved so far, do you guys have any doubt? Okay, if you have any doubt, I'll give you time. Please drop a comment in the comment section so that I can go through that question again and I can resolve it. Okay, please go through the question which I have solved, and please let me know that which is the question you guys have a doubt. Okay, since I didn't get any comment, I'll go to the first question in advance. That is from number series. Okay, what are the last three numbers of the series? Okay, the series are 11, 23, 47, 83, and 131. 131. Okay, so now again the numbers are nearer. Okay, so now first let's find out what is the difference. Here the difference is 23 minus 11, it is how much? 12. Okay, now 47 minus 23, it will be 24. Okay, now here what is the difference? 83 minus, it will be 13 minus 7, it will be 6, and this will be 36. If you observe it, it is 12 twos are, 12 threes are. That means here also it will be 12 fours are. Okay, so next will be 12 fives are. 12 fives are means it is 60. So 131 plus 60. 131 plus 60. How much it will be? 191. 191. So option C is the right answer. So now the difference here is 12, 24, 36, and 60. Okay, 48 and 60. Now in this also the pattern is going on. In the difference also there is a pattern. What is that pattern? It is a 12 table. 12 twos are, 12 threes are, 12 fours are, 12 fives are. Okay, sometimes in the difference also there will be a pattern that you need to find out. Sometimes it can be a multiplication, sometimes it can be a square number or a cube number. Okay, sometimes the pattern can go like into 2 plus 1, into 2 minus 1, again into 2 plus 1, like that it can go on. So you need to find out what is the pattern going on between them. Okay, now this is not the only one pattern it has, it can have several patterns also. Okay, it can be double plus. Okay, there is no only one pattern in the number series or letter series. Okay, now same number series, find the next number in 0 comma 4 comma 5 comma 11. Okay, dash 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 they have given. Now 0 to 4 it is 4 different, 4 to 5 it is 1, and 5 to 1 5 to 11 it is 6 different. Again I'm not finding any pattern over here, but let me see, will I get a pattern if I alternate? If I take alternate, here the difference is 5, here the difference is 11 minus 4, how much I'll get? 7. Okay, 7. So now 5 and 7, those are what? Prime numbers. Okay, now what should come next? I don't know whether I should take 9 to 2 different should I take, or should I subtract it with other number? I don't know. If I put first option 21 over here, 5 to 21, there is huge difference. Okay, so there is no 9 difference. Okay, so I cannot take that. If I take 5 to 16, 5 to 16, the difference is 11. The difference is 11. Okay, and it might happen. You got 5, 7, 11, it is a it is a prime number. Okay, but let's see, 5 to 19, 5 to 19, again the difference is very huge, that is 14 something, it will come 14. 23 also it will come. So the pattern here is what? 5, 7, 11. Okay, so it is next prime numbers. So 16 is the right answer. Sometimes you need to use your option to find an answer. When the numbers are pretty less, you cannot find out what is the pattern running behind. Okay, people think that 5 plus 2 it is 7, so 7 plus 2 it is 9. Okay, so 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, how much it will be? It will be 14, but in the option it is how much? 11. Okay, sorry, 16. So you need to find out that using option you need to find an answer sometimes. Okay, now the next question is from again word pattern. The options the words are cut, put on, mark, measure, and tailor. By looking at the word itself we got to know that it is based on a tailoring. When we give a tailor a dress to stitch it, what are the procedure will take place? First what will happen? The tailor will measure, right? The tailor will first measure. So option 1 and A and B are ruled out. Next, after that, what he will do? Measure it and then he will mark it, right? Mark it, then he will cut it, then you will tailor it, and you need to put on. So option C is the right answer. Okay, first you will measure it, then you will mark it, then you will cut it, tailor, and put on. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Now, the next also it is based on word pattern. Those are death, boy, study, birth, marriage. Okay. So by looking at the word itself, it's got to know that it is a life process. Okay. First, what will happen? Birth will take place. So option A and D are ruled out. Okay. Birth will take place. Next, what happen after birth? The boy will grow. Okay. The boy will grow. It will be, so immediately I got an answer. It is option C. Okay. After boy, he will study, and after that he will get married, and after that it is death. Okay. So it is um birth, boy, study, marriage, and death. So option C is the answer. Now, in the next question also, it is based on word pattern. Choose the option that arranges the given set of word in most meaningful order. The words, when put in order, should make logical sense as per their size, quality, the occurrence of events, appearance, value, process, and nature, etc. Okay. The options are given are Ava Mahal, India, Asia, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay. Now, people will get confused over here. So many people not heard of Ava Mahal. Okay. So that time you can start with the others also. We know that Jaipur is in Rajasthan. So Jai, first it is Jaipur, then Rajasthan. Rajasthan is in India, and India is in Asia. That means in Jaipur there is Ava Mahal. So option A is the right answer. Okay. So it is like now again, should I start from Asia? Asia, India, and Ava Mahal. Okay. In India, there is Rajasthan, then Jaipur. So should I go from bigger to smaller? You need to check an option and find an answer. Okay. So option A is the right answer over here. Okay. Now, the next question is from now letter series. Okay. We also solved similar kind of problems over there. Now let's first step, what you have to do is that count how many letters are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 is a multiple of 3, so we need to divide them into 3 groups. Okay, we need to divide them into 3 groups. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully, here it is MAR, here it is MAR. Here also we have AR. So if I put over here M, it is alternate MAR and MAR. Here it is RAM, here it is AM. Sorry, here it is R dash M, here it is AM. Okay, so what I'll do is that if I put A over here, it will become RAM. Okay, here if I put here R, it will be RAM. Here already R I have, so A and M. Okay, so the pattern goes like this: RAM, MAR, RAM, MAR. Okay, so now let's look into the option. Options are given as AR. Okay, first it should start with AR, so I can easily eliminate these two options. The next one is that M. Okay, so option C is the right answer and option D is the wrong answer. So whenever this kind of question is comes means you need to count how many letters are there. Okay, then divide them, then find an answer. Clear? Now, next question is also based on letter series. A series is given one term missing. Okay, one term is missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given option that will complete the series. They are telling which will complete the series. Now, AZWD CXUF EVSH. Okay. Now let's see in between. Okay, is there any pattern? 1, 26, 23, 23, and D is 4. There is no pattern running, so this I cannot take it. Now let's see this, this, and this. Okay, A to C, how many different? 2 different. Again, C to E, it is 2 different. E to next, it will be 2 different. So I can easily eliminate the first option D. So first letter it will be G. Now Z to X, Z to X, minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So X to V, X to V, again it is minus 2. So V to T, it is minus 2. So T will come next. So in the option we have GU and GA, which is wrong. So option A is the right answer. No need to check for the other numbers. Okay, when you get this, instead of trying for the other, it's a waste of time. Here only you can find the answer. Now, if you want to verify, W is how much? W is 23. U is how much? Again, it is going -2. Okay, U to S, it is again -2. So the next number will be Q. We got Q over here. We have Q. Next is D to F. D to F, it is +2. Okay. F to H, it is +2. So 8 to J, 10, it will be J. So option A is the right answer. Okay. So option A is the right answer. Now, let's go to the next question. Next question, Nehal, Iqbal, Ronit, Malini and Arbhajan in any one of the five activities, that quiz, singing, dance, debate and mimicry. Ronit participates in singing. Arbhajan doesn't participate in debate and or mimicry. Malini does not participate in mimicry. Iqbal participates in quiz. Who participates in debate? Options are Nehal or Malini, cannot be determined, Nehal and Malini. Okay. Now this question is from data arrangement. Okay, you need to arrange them. Okay. So first, what you have to do is that first, what are the activities are there? Write down. Quiz is there, singing is there, dancing is there, debate is there, and mimicry is there. Okay, mimicry. They have given that directly. Ronit sings. Okay, so Ronit sings. Okay, Arbhajan. Okay, there is a person called Arbhajan. He doesn't participate in debate and he doesn't participate in mimicry. Arbhajan won't participate in these two. So Arbhajan has two options. Okay, Ronit is already in singing, so he cannot be in singing. Arbhajan can be quiz or dancing, but they have given that Iqbal participate in quiz. So Iqbal will participate in quiz means obviously Arbhajan will be in dancing. And now Malini does not participate in mimicry. So Malini does not participate in mimicry means the only left out option for her, it is mimic debate. Okay, so the remaining one is Nehal. Okay, so who participate in debate, they're asking. Who will participate? Malini will participate in debate. Okay, so first, what are the activities? Write down. And option, they have only given few hints. Write down. And always remember, it is not always positive statement is Ronit participates in singing. Okay, you need to concentrate that also, and you need to concentrate on negative statement also. Negative statement here is Arbhajan does not participate in debate or mimicry. Okay, that also will come in handy. Okay, now is Malini does not participate in mimicry. Okay, so you need to concentrate on your negative statement also and positive statement also to find an answer. Okay, now moving on to the next question. In an exhibition, this question is from seating arrangement. In an exhibition, 7 cars of 7 different companies via Cadillac, Ambassador, Fiat, Maruti, Mercedes, Bedford and Fargo were displayed in a road facing east. So there are 7 cars. There are 7 cars. Okay, they all are facing east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so east means this will be right and this will be left. Okay, now Cadillac car was immediate right of Fargo. I'm gonna write somewhere here. Cadillac car was immediate right of Fargo. Okay, and Fargo was fourth to the right of Fiat. Okay, fourth means 1, 2, sorry, 1, 3, 4. Okay, so Fiat will be somewhere here. Okay, fourth right of Fiat. Fargo is in fourth right. Maruti car is between, here also one car will be there. Okay, that is Cadillac. Okay, so 7 cars, right? So here also one gap will be there. Maruti car is between Ambassador and Bedford. So Maruti can only occupy here because it is between 2 cars. Ambassador can come over here or Bedford can come. Ambassador can come here. Order can be like this or like this. I don't know. Okay. Next statement. What says that Fiat, which is of third to the left of Ambassador. Fiat should be third to the left of Ambassador. Okay. Third left of Ambassador. Fiat is there means here it will be Bedford. was at one of the end. That means Fiat is at one end. We already got that. So the remaining car is what? Mercedes. Remaining car is Mercedes. Let's align them here. Okay, Bedford, Maruti, Ambassador, Fargo, Cadillac, and Mercedes. Okay, and Mercedes. What they have given, which of the following was correct position of Mercedes? Okay, between Bedford and Cargo. Okay, Bedford is here, Cargo is here, Mercedes somewhere here. So that is not the right answer. Okay, that is not the right answer. Now, immediate left of, immediate left of, immediate left of Cadillac. Okay, immediate left of Cadillac means it is right of Cadillac, not immediate left of Cadillac. So that is wrong. Immediate left of Bedford. Bedford is somewhere else and Mercedes somewhere else. Fourth right of Maruti. Maruti car is here. Right side is this side. 1, 2, 3, fourth. So fourth right of Maruti is Mercedes. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Now this question is from blood relationship. Okay. So this is also single blood relationship. It says that pointing to a girl in the photograph, Amar said, her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father. How is the girl's mother related to Amar? Okay. So Amar is there. Amar is pointing at one girl. Okay. One girl is pointing at and her mother. Okay. Her mother. Okay. Brother. Her mother brother is the only son. Okay, this guy is the only son. Whose only son? My mother. That means Amar mother. Okay, Amar mother of my mother's father. Mother has a father. Okay, this girl's mother brother is the only son. Okay, this guy is the only son of my mother's father's means these three are siblings. Here, how is the mother related to Amar? Okay, how is mother related to Amar? They are asking. Okay, now mother can be a here these two women can be same or these two women can be different. Okay, so it can be either for girl mother Amar mother can be a aunt or it can be same mother. It can be siblings. Okay, here you can not assume it. This guy, this father, who knows that whether he has a two girl daughter or one girl daughter? It is not specific. So it for girl, a mother can be a aunt or a mother. Okay, aunt can be a mother. It is not specific. So don't go choose the option mother or aunt. Out of okay to confuse you people, they are gonna give mother, aunt or mother. Okay, so please make it please don't assume things in blood relationship. Okay. Now, next question is from coding and decoding. Now they are telling that in a code sign DRLAL is coded as 620 14 314. Then camel. Then camel is coded as. Then camel is coded as what? Okay. Now let's see what is the pattern running between you. What you have to do is that find what is the pattern running between DRLAL and 620 14 3 1 14. Okay, apply the same pattern to camel, you will find the answer. Now let's see over here. D means what? 4, R means 18, that is right to oat, L means 12, and A means 1, and L means 12. So from 4 to 6 it is plus 2, and again 18 to 20 it is plus 2, 12 to 14 plus 2, 1 to 3 plus 2, 12 to 14 it is plus 2. So what I have to do is that for every number, okay, I need to do plus 2. C means it is 3, A 1, M is 13, and E is 5, and L is 12. If I do plus 2 for each of them, if I do plus 2 for each of them, what number will I get? I'll get 5. I'll get 5. So option B is ruled out. Next is A plus 2, it is 3. Okay. Next is M, it will be 15. It will be 15. So C is also option C is also ruled out. Most of the people, what will they do is that they'll directly choose the option A. But remember, whenever the option none is there, you need to verify it, because we don't know whether this option is also right or wrong. We need to verify it. Then we can say that this option is right or wrong. Okay. So when none is there means you need to be extra careful. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 will be 7. 12 plus 2 it will be 14. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question. Next question is also from letter series. Now they have given that EGOTYDINSXCH. Okay, what is the next letter? They have given. What is the next letter? Now, E means, first let's find out what is the pattern going on between this. Whether I can find it like this or individual like this. Okay. Now, he means what? 5. J means 12, 10. O means 50. So it is plus 5 and it is plus 5. Okay, here we got one pattern. Now let's check whether the same pattern is running in TYD also. T means 20, Y means 25, D means how much? 4. Okay, 25 plus 4, 5, it will be 4 itself. It will come to 4. Now in this one and this one, the pattern is plus 5 and plus 5. So here also no need to check. Here also it will be plus 5 and plus 5. Okay. Now next number, what should be the next number? Now for this you cannot predict it. So you need to use the option itself. N means what? It is 14. Next R means 18. Here it is plus 4. It is not plus 5. So this option is ruled out. Now the next one is what? M is 13. The R is 18. How much the difference is? Here it is 5. W is 23. Again here the difference is 5. So we are getting a pattern over here. So option B is the right answer. So option B is the right answer. Okay. No need to check for the other. Okay. Here also only you got an answer. That's all. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Next question is from number series. Find the next number in the series. The numbers are 3, 12, 48, 192, 768. Okay, what is the next number? Okay, now you need to find out. Now if you observe carefully, the number from one number to other number, it is very huge. Okay, so instead of addition, now I'm going to try with multiplication, because the gap between the numbers are very huge. Okay, so now 3 and 12, what is the difference? What is the, if I do 3 fours are, will I get 12? Yes. And 12 fours are, again it is 48. Okay. Now, should I check 48 into 1 into 4? Will I get 192? No need to do that. Into 4 if I do, only check for unit digit. 8 fours are, it is 32. And I have a 32 means unit digit is 2. And here also I have unit digit 2. Okay. So, it means the pattern here is into 2 and into 2. Now, should I do 768 into 4? Okay, it's a waste of time. Okay, in an examination it will be 1 minute, hardly time for us to solve it. So and calci won't be allowed over there. So what I need to do is that 8 fours are, it is 32. So unit digit should be 2. Now check option. In option A, the unit digit is not 2. Here also unit digit is not 2. Here also unit digit is not 2. So option C is the right answer. Now if you want to verify it, let's verify it. Okay, 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 3, it will be 27. 28. 28 plus 2, it will be 30. So 3772 is the right answer. Okay, now let's go to the next question. 5 teachers T, Q, R, S and T teach a group of students in a sequence between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so there are 5 teachers and they are teaching from 9 to 2 p.m. Each teacher teaches for 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour, one teacher. Okay, Q takes the first class. So Q will be first. And the other data is given that S teaches just after T. Okay, after T, S will take, and R teaches before P and T. P and T. Okay, now so Q will come here obviously because Q is the first. I don't know whether T will come here or T will come over here. Okay, so this I don't know. Now what the question they are telling? who takes the second class from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. So after Q, it will be P. Sorry, after Q, it will be R. So R is gonna take the second class. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Now, the last question, that is, these questions are based on the following information. Now, this question is from blood relationship, that is from coded. Now, star represents what? A star B means A is brother of B. A divide B means A is mother, B is mother of A. A minus B means A is father of B, and A plus B means B is sister of A. Which of the following means R is daughter of H? Okay, R and H. Here in the first option, there is no letter called R, so I can easily reject it. And in option C also, there is no letter R. So I only need to check for option B and option D. Okay. Now let's check for option B. H minus J into star R plus L. What does minor represent? Minus represents A is the father of B. That means H is the father of J. I don't know what is the J gender over here. Now J into R. J into a star means J is brother of R. J is brother of R. R plus L means R is sister of L. R is sister of L. That means R is the daughter of H from this direct representation. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for your wonderful time. I hope I was clear in each of every problem. If you have any doubt, please feel to ask in a comment session. Okay, so drop a comment, whatever the question you have doubt, so I can solve it, resolve it again. Okay, so thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. If you guys have any doubt, please ask in a comment section so that I can solve it again.